What's up, family? Welcome back to my channel. So guys, most people think crypto arbitrage is either too complicated or already dead. Okay, I also thought the same at some point when a lot of things wasn't working out until I started using this exact setup I'm going to be showing you guys in this video. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you guys some real arbitrage cases, how I spot opportunities, how I enter trades, and what tricks to be considered. Okay, so guys, this is not a theory, but this is actually how I personally use arbitrage in my trading. Okay, so make sure you stick with me all through this video, guys. Don't skip any part of this video so you actually get the full info on what I'm going to be showing you guys today, okay? So if this is your first time joining us right here on this channel, this is Don Cam's TV. And what we'll do here is we'll give you basic guides on how you can make legitimate money right here on the internet space. Because I, for myself, guys, I make 100% of my income right here on the internet space. Okay, so make sure you smash on that subscribe button right now, guys. Destroy that subscribe button, turn on the bell icon so whenever Don Cam's TV uploads amazing videos like this one you're about to watch right now here on YouTube, you're always going to be the first to get notified. And then you're going to quickly up into it to start making the most amount of money for yourselves right away, guys. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive straight into the business of today. Okay, guys, so here we are on the website homepage right now. And the name of this tool I use in spotting arbitrage opportunities is called ArbitrageScanner. Okay, so this is the tool I use on a day-to-day basis to actually find opportunities that works, guys. Okay, so I'm going to be logging into my account right now, so I show you guys exactly how the arbitrage scanner is actually used in spotting opportunities that can actually make you profit on a day-to-day basis. Okay, so guys, let's go. Okay, so I'm going to hit on the login button up here, guys. All right, and then I just simply input my email and password, and then I'm going to be right back. Okay, so I'm going to pause this video right now. Okay, guys, so here we are on my account dashboard right now. So as you can see up here, it says the best tools for blockchain analysis and convenient cryptocurrency arbitrage. Okay, so this is basically what the arbitrage scanner does for you. It actually helps you spot opportunities on a day-to-day basis in order to make profit from the market, guys. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you exactly how this works, guys. Okay, but before I show you, there's something you actually need to see. Okay, so if I actually hit on this page right here that says subscription, guys. Okay, if I hit on it right now, as you can see, I'm currently on the business plan right here. Okay, for 1 month, as you can see, I actually subscribed for $195 every month. Okay, as you can see right here, I can actually prolong it if I actually want to prolong it. Okay, and I'm actually subscribing for 1 month, and I've been using this scanner for a very long time to make profit for myself. Okay, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can spot opportunities on a day-to-day basis right now, so you guys can know exactly how to go about this and start making profit for yourself each and every single day, guys. Okay, so how do you actually use the arbitrage scanner for spotting arbitrage opportunities on a day-to-day basis? So guys, it's quite easy. Okay, so what you simply do is up here that says arbitrage product, you just simply hit on arbitrage product. Okay, and over here that says arbitrage screener, you just simply hit on it, guys. It's gonna load up. Okay, so here we are. So as you can see over here, it says exchanges for buying, exchanges for selling, whitelist of currencies, blacklist of currencies, minimum transaction amount, maximum transaction amount, minimum profit percent, and maximum profit percent. Okay, so what you simply do right here is you just simply set up the exchanges you actually want to use for buying by hitting on this drop down arrow right here, guys. Okay, you just simply set it up. I'm gonna hit on the drop down arrow right now, so let's see how this goes. Okay, so as you can see right here, these are the list of exchanges I actually selected for myself: the Phoenix, the XT, the BingX, the BitGet, Binance, KuCoin, BTC, SE. I didn't actually select this one. Bank, Coinbase, Polonix, Mexi. You just have a lot of options right here to actually choose from. Okay, so when you're actually done selecting the exchanges you actually want to use for buying, the next step would be coming over to the exchanges for selling and also select the same exchanges you actually set for the exchanges for buying. Okay, as you can see, so these are the exchanges right here. So when you are done with that, this white list of currencies right here, you just simply leave this once. Okay, so that is not actually really important. Then over here that says minimum transaction amount, you just simply set the amount, your capital you actually have for trading. Okay, so let's say you actually have 100 USDT for trading, just simply hit on 100 right here, guys. Okay, and then for the maximum transaction amount, you just simply leave it this way, guys. Okay, and right here that says minimum profit, you just simply set it to 0.5%. Okay, 0.5. All right, and right here that says maximum profit, you just simply set it to 10%. Okay, so that is it. So you just simply scroll down when you're actually done doing that. So as you can see, these are lots of opportunities. So over here that says 30 seconds, you can actually leave it this way, or you can just set it to 10 seconds. So you actually get, refreshed on new opportunities every 10 seconds. Okay. If you actually want to leave it at 30 seconds, you can actually leave it at 30 seconds right here, okay, or 15 seconds, or whatever seconds you actually want to set it. You just simply set it right here, okay. So 30 seconds is actually much more better for me, okay. So as you can see over here, these are a list of coins that are actually under the settings I just set up right now, okay. As you can see, this coin right here called Zen USDT on Mexi, you can actually get it for 0.06060672, okay. And then okay, it actually changes every 30 seconds, so you just need to be fast and do your thing, okay. So you can see that coin I was talking about a while ago is actually out, okay. You can just simply find a coin right here. So I'm going to find a good coin so we can actually see exactly how you can make your research after using this tool to actually find opportunities. You also need to further your research so you can actually know exactly what you are doing, so you won't end up losing your money, okay. So how do you actually make further research? So let's say you actually find a coin right now. So let's say I'm going to be using this coin right here called Swell USDT, okay. I'm going to go over to coin market cap right now and just simply find this token called Swell USDT, okay. So as you can see, this is the logo of Swell USDT. I'm going to hit on coin market cap right now, guys, okay. So let's see how this goes. So it's going to load up, guys. Okay, here we are. So I'm going to hit on the search icon over here, guys, okay, and just simply search for Swell. Okay, so this is the token right here. So this is the logo. Okay, I'm going to hit on Swell USDT right here, Swell network. Okay, so as you can see, this is the current price of the coin, 0.001261. Okay, and then over here that says market, I'm going to hit on market, guys. As you can see, the coin has been doing well so far. As you can see right here, I'm going to hit on markets. Okay, and then it's going to load up. I'm going to scroll down. Okay, so as you can see over here, on bybit, you can actually get this token for the sum of 0.00126, okay. And then on KuCoin, you can actually get it for the same amount. On Gate, you can get it for 0.001259. On HTC, you can get it for 0.001489, okay. As you can see, 0.001489. So on HTC right here, the Swell token is actually much more expensive, as you can see, okay. So how do you actually do this? You can simply buy from Bybit at 0.00126, and then you simply come over to HTC and sell for 0.001489, okay. So that is basically how you can do this, okay. So you also need to check on the volume. As you can see right here on HTC, the volume is currently $346,000, and on Bybit is currently $200,000, okay. So it's actually a very good volume right here, so you can actually work on this token to actually make profit for yourself, okay. But before you actually do this, you also need to go back to the ArbitrageScanner app. I'm going to go over there right now, guys. I'm going to go over to the website again, okay, and you just simply find that same token called Swell. Okay, I'm going to scroll down to see if I'm going to see it right here again. Okay, the token has actually gone off right now. Okay, so the reason why I was actually back here is to check on the network fees. Okay, so you can actually check on the network fees right here. Okay, let's take for instance the RODV USDT token right here. If I actually scroll further, guys, you would see that the network fee for this token is currently $0.99, as you can see right here, okay. And then the network for deposit is actually Ethereum. It actually shows you the network for deposit right here, as you can see: Ethereum, BNB, Paycoin, Ethereum. So these are actually the networks that you can actually use for the deposits, and these are the networks for withdrawal, okay. As you can see right here, like I said before, the ROGV token right here, the network for withdrawal is actually $0.99. Okay, so you actually have to have that in mind, that you'll be paying $0.99 to actually withdraw the ROGV token. So this is actually what it means. Okay, so that is it, guys. So as you can see, there are other options right here. The lifetime, as you can see, you get to see the lifetime of the tokens over here. Okay, so this actually means that the time in which the tokens has been on the trading market. Okay, that is it. So over here that says spread, you also get to see the spread. All right, you also get to see the profit you'll be making from each token. As you can see right now, for the ROGV USDT, you're going to be making a 0.17% profit for the ROGV USDT. And then for the UX Link USDT, you're going to be making a 0.54% profit. So that is basically how you can do this, guys. Okay, so when you have actually found out about all this stuff right here, the next step would be, you actually need to further your research by using the coin market cap, just like I showed you guys on the Swell token right here. Okay, so as you can see on HTC, you get to buy Swell for 0.00489, and on Bybit you get to buy it for 0.00126. Okay, so what it simply means is you just simply go over to Bybit and buy the swell token for 0.00126, and then you come over to HTC and sell for 0.0014889 to actually make your profit. Okay, if you actually do your calculations correctly, you would see that you'll be making good profits. I'm going to go over to my calculator right now so I actually show you guys exactly what I'm talking about, guys. Okay, I'm going to hit on calculator right here. Okay, so let's say you are buying this token right now using your $100. So what you simply do is 100, okay, divided by, let's say you are buying on Bybit for the sum of 0.00126. Okay, 126. So that gives you about 79,365 amount of the, swell token. Okay, you actually get 79,000 of the swell token using $100. And then when you actually multiply, by 0.0014889, which is the selling price, okay, 0.001489149, okay, so that gives you about $118. So this actually means that you have actually made about 18 USDT in profit. Okay, but guys, always make sure to know that you won't always get the exact amount of profits, from the market, because there are other transactions, that you're also going to be paying for, which is the network fees and some other things. So let's say when you're actually done paying for all your network fees and transfer fees and everything, let's say you'll be left with $105 or $110. So $10 is actually going to be your profit and $100 is actually going to be your capital. So that is basically how you can actually use the arbitrage scanner in making profit on a day-to-day basis, guys. Okay, it's quite easy and quite simple. Okay, so this is basically how it is, guys, how simple it is. You just need to make your research using the available tools, using your arbitrage scanner, and as well your coin market cap to actually analyze the market and know exactly when to enter to start making your profit on a day-to-day basis. Okay, so that is basically how I myself has been making profits using the arbitrage scanner for a very long time now, guys. Okay, so that is basically how this works. All right, so there are other options right here. If you're actually a perpetual trader, that is someone who actually trades futures and all of that, you can also use the futures option right here. You can also filter your trades and do the exact same thing you just saw me do on the arbitrage screener. Okay, so you also have the arbitrage scanner right here. You have the dex scanner. Okay, so dex scanner right here is for persons who actually do airdrop arbitrage. Okay, so you can actually use this tool to fetch new airdrops and actually analyze those airdrops to make profit for yourself. And also they have the funding rates, they have the supported exchanges. Okay, so on my next video I'm going to be talking about all these other ones. Okay, but the focus for today is actually the arbitrage screener I just showed you guys a while ago. Okay, so guys, if there's anything you don't understand so far from the tutorial, kindly go over to the comment section to actually talk about it right there, and I'm going to be answering all your questions. Okay, so that is it for the arbitrage screener right here. So guys, how do you actually get access to the arbitrage scanner tool to actually help you make research on a day-to-day basis, to actually spot opportunities and make profit for yourself? How do you actually get access to this tool? So like I said before, I'm actually on a subscription right here, guys. Okay, so as you can see, I'm actually on the business plan for 1 month. I actually subscribed for about $195. This is actually how I've been doing this for a very long time now. Okay, so if you actually want to do the same thing I'm doing right now to actually make profit for yourself on a day-to-day basis, what you simply do is I'm going to be leaving the link to the arbitrage scanner on this video description, and also it's going to be on my Telegram group and also my WhatsApp group. So you just simply sign up. The sign up process is quite easy, guys. Okay, so when you're actually done signing up, what you simply do is you just simply subscribe. Okay, the subscription process is very easy, guys. You can actually use your Bybit Visa card to subscribe. You can also use your bank transfer to subscribe as well. Okay, so that is how easy it is, guys. All right, so for those of you who doesn't have the opportunity or rather the finance to actually subscribe for this plan, you can actually reach out to me so I know exactly how I can help in regards to that. Okay, so guys, this is how everything works right here on the arbitrage scanner, and this is where I'm going to be drawing my curtain for today. So on my next videos on the arbitrage scanner, I'm going to be showing you guys other opportunities right here that you can actually take advantage of to actually start making profit on a day-to-day basis performing arbitrage. So that is basically what I'm going to be doing for you guys on my next video. Okay, so guys, this is all for this video. If you actually watched this video up until this time, thank you all, guys. Okay, and make sure you actually take actions now so you can start winning, guys. Okay, so if this is your first time joining us right here on this channel, make sure you actually smash on that subscribe button, guys, and turn on the bell icon so you actually get notified each time amazing videos like this one you just watched right now is being uploaded right here on this channel. Okay, so guys, thank you all once more for watching this video. Do have a wonderful day, guys. Peace out.